Production Monitoring System is a state-of-the-art tool that has allowed Nigeria's Department of Petroleum Resources to reach unprecedented heights in transparency, accountability, and safety. One of the objectives of this project is to provide a platform to consistently and accurately monitor and account for every drop of hydrocarbon production and exports in real time. The National Production Monitoring System supports the sustainable development of Nigeria's oil and gas resources across the entire value chain operations. It provides the most accurate reports on hydrocarbon accounting from production to export to stakeholders in real time. The monitoring system combines cutting-edge technology with industry expertise and experience. The oil and gas facilities on the screen are to submit hydrocarbon production data to the department in order for DPR to provide comprehensive real-time reporting of the nation's daily production status to the government. The National Production Monitoring System has also provided a secured platform for DPR's regulatory oversight, monitoring and tracking of crude oil and petroleum product movement on Nigerian waters. It also ensures efficiency of oil and gas production throughout Nigeria because it signals any potential maintenance failures so any faults can be dealt with immediately, reducing any unscheduled downtime. To ensure this trailblazing monitoring system is constantly working properly, state-of-the-art processors are kept in this temperature-controlled room. Only authorized personnel are allowed access to these highly sensitive data-storing servers. The data collected by the NPMS allows the department to reach new depths of research and development and provide consistent high-quality report publications. The National Production Monitoring System empowers the department's sharpest minds to gain insight, to unlock new efficiencies and identify new pathways to optimizing performance and accountability. It also ensures the nation's ability to accurately determine the revenue accruing to Nigeria from the oil and gas sector, and assists the government in policy-making decisions and projections. Therefore, the National Production Monitoring System will enable the most efficient, integrated, and empowered future ever for the oil and gas industry of Nigeria.